Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can resolve your problem. Problem is that just like a pop-up in your iPhone and they're saying that your score credit balance, you must spend your balance before you can change the stores. So when you try to change the stores and they're saying that you have a balance to spend before you can change the stores. So how you can fix that issue in your iPhone or your iPad? Simply just go to your settings of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, simply just go to the general section and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe your iPad. After that, simply just go back and just go to the transfer or reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and just reset the network settings from here. After all that settings, your problem gonna solve and you have just have to just last settings you just have to do that to fix your issue. Simply just go to the Apple account and just go to the payment and shipping section and just remove your credit card and debit card and again enter your details of your credit card details. After that, simply just go to the App Store and also you just have to you do that in the App Store account and you can do that on the Apple account, Apple ID account. You can do that on the both side. So if you have it done on the App Store, simply just go to the App Store of your Apple account and they think they can verify my with my face ID and maybe my password. So you see that there is a subscriptions manage payments. Simply just go to the manage payments and here you just have to just remove. If you have enough balance, you just have to use it. If you don't have a balance, simply just remove the account and again enter your credit card and just change your stores. And also make sure that you just have to change the region. If you currently live in that country and you just select another country one, you must change the country where you're just trying to live. Just like that, I'm currently live in Pakistan, so I'm gonna select the Pakistan. So just change the region. So your problem gonna solve. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.